Welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to change languages on Roblox. Let's jump right into your settings. You can play in your preferences language. Let's get started. First of all, open the Roblox application on your phone. After the app is open, look at the top left corner. Here you can find the three-line menu icon. Click on them. From the menu, scroll down a little, find the settings option, tap on it. Once you are in the settings page, find the account info option at the top, click to open it and wait to open the menu. After the account info page is open, scroll down a little. Here you can see various options. Look for the languages option. Right now my language is selected English United States, but I am switching. Simply tap on the language's name. Then here you can see the all of available listed there. For example, I am set the Bahasa Indonesia language this video, so select it and wait to complete the changes. And that's it, how you can easily change the language on Roblox. If that helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. Tap the video on your screen right now for more tips.